Hello, friends and fellow journeyers. Welcome to today's episode. I'm excited to share this little story with you. We took a few days to rest up after our recent offshore sail, and now we're ready to tackle some chores and explore this little town of Port A.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'm excited to announce what is this voyage that I am taking across the Gulf of Mexico and Northern America. I am establishing trade routes and I am exploring what is the ocean, and I'm using remote work in a way to be completely self-efficient. And I am exploring technology that challenges me, and I am living out there amongst Mother Nature and the ocean, and I'm excited to tell you guys the story that I have prepared and what is about to unfold with my future. So I have a lot of great opportunities for remote work, and with the skill sets that I have built out, I am a valuable candidate in Python programming. From dashboards to data science, I build a lot of different applications, and I have the tools and capabilities to expand in a bunch of different industries. So with this, I found myself with the YouTube channel, and I'm trying to expand this as I articulate what I do, and I teach people the skill sets, the cheat codes that I unlock along the way. I think that this is a really great outlet to challenge me and to present the information that I am learning. So with this, if you're interested in participating amongst this adventure, we have some great opportunities to do that. There are some upgrades that I need to make. I need autopilot for the ship. I need Starlink so that I can stream data at all times to people and show them what is taking place. There are a few boat upgrades. A battery would go a long way, as I am trying to set this up as a remote battle station with a server on the ship, a bunch of other different tools in regards to programming, and be completely remote. So this is going to have to sustain, a 9 to 5, being online, having all the power and the capabilities at ports and every other different way that I could think of to protect myself. There's a few ways that I'm doing that is through the generator itself. That is going to be a huge upgrade, but they also have a gas dual generator that powers to the main component, which would allow me to also provide gasoline if worse comes to worse and I'm completely out of power. Then I also have backup power that I can rely on till I get to my next port and I get charged and I get everything that I need. So this is going to allow me to take weeks of time to traverse the Gulf of Mexico. I don't see it taking too long with the sail, and if I have an engine running in the back, I could probably do this in 7 days. They say that it could take as long as 14 days to travel from Louisiana to Cancun, but I'm not sure. It's all going to happen as it happens on good weather's terms, and with a safe journey, I'm hopeful that I will complete everything that I have set up in front of me. So there's a lot of reasoning to be doing this right now. Open sourced ocean stations is kind of my goal here. I want to get competent people who can traverse the ocean, give them the tools and resources to do that. I am trying to revitalize as many ships as possible. The first ship that I've taken on is a 27-foot 1977 Buccaneer, and I have refitted it to be a modern vessel. And right now I am prospects of buying other ships, and I would love the opportunity to renovate and rebuild them from nothing, and I have a team and a port ready to do that. With the skilled labor that is available in the area that I live, we can do a really good job, and I plan on trading and flipping these ships after their use, and retaining the value in what is this evolution of trade and in the space of maritime. So with this, keep an eye out for what I have planned. There are a lot of great updates that you should be expecting. Keep that notification on, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this idea of venturing across the Gulf of Mexico, stopping at Cuba, Mexico, and a few other different locations by a sailboat. How do you think it's all going to unfold? What are you most excited for? Which spot would you most want me to explore? Just kind of some information. I really am curious about your thoughts on this. But with that, expect more programming videos. I have a little bit of adjusting to do in regards to my work and my living situation. So I am currently moving around and positioning myself to the future that I want to build. So with that, I appreciate you guys for being along the journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video.